All right, got the eggs on the smoker. I'm gonna cook these at about 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna take them off, let them cool, peel them, and we're gonna be making some deviled eggs. We're gonna throw them back on the smoker for a little bit. Good stuff, stick around. Let's take a look. It's been about 30 minutes. Oh, look at the difference. Look at those eggs. Those, get over here. Those are pretty much done. It's just like hard boiled or hard cooked. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these off. We're gonna cool them off and then peel them. I like to throw some ice from the ice maker on them. And just cool them down for a little bit. Yeah, I've got some, just some nacho jalapenos here. And I'm just gonna throw just some of them, just a little bit. And yeah, I'm gonna dice them. And here I've got 4 tablespoons of some mayo, Duke's mayo, which is my favorite. And we're gonna add some ground mustard. We're gonna add about a teaspoon. I don't do a whole lot of measuring, but for this type of recipe, I do. We'll add a teaspoon. And this is the fun part. I'm gonna be using some Lone Star Dust by Grand Oaks barbecue seasoning here. And we're gonna just add a teaspoon or so, a couple of teaspoons of this in there. Use your favorite barbecue rub. That's a half. I'm gonna add, that's probably a little over two teaspoons, not tablespoons. But you know, add what you want. We'll add a teaspoon of this. Like I said, I typically don't measure, and for this, we'd not. Just a squirt of it. Get those jalapenos I diced up and throw them right in. On the cutting board where those were, we'll just start adding these eggs. These are the ones we cooked, remember, on the Pit Boss pellet grill, 100%. These were never boiled, and let's see how they look inside. Oh my, check that out. Cooked really perfect right there. So I'm gonna remove the yolk from all of these, throw it in the mix over there, and then we'll mix it all up. So we have all those in here in that mix, and now we're just going to go ahead and get this all mixed up. If it's a little chunky, we'll add a little more apple cider. Just a dribble. That looks better, creamier, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. And then Dolores is going to go ahead and do her magic. She is the artiste.
I'm not doing it with, like, I don't have the piping bag like I did last year. Remember my piping bag?
Mm-hmm. So right here it is. We've got them all. We've got a bunch in this pan, and I'm going to go ahead and smoke these. But there wasn't enough room for a couple. I garnished them with a little bit of a jalapeno. Let's go ahead and see what these taste like before they're smoked. I'll check them out again after. So I'm just going to place these on the Pit Boss now at 180, which is the lowest it'll go. And we're going to cook these just another, let's go 20 minutes or so, and give them a little smoke, a little kiss of smoke. Now I'm going to take these jalapenos, and I'm going to put it on some. I won't put it on all, because maybe someone don't want a jalapeno, but if you do, it's a good addition. So I'll add it to a few of them, because I do like the jalapeno. And it's got the jalapeno juice in it.
Just split it in half, babe.
Yep.
Like the middle, you know?
Yeah, we got it just like that. How about that? Look good? Then we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of this over.
You gotta have the paprika.
Gots to have it. Gots to. Now, I can go ahead and test another one.
What?
This time smoked with the jalapeno.